In a previous episode, I stripped the shell, fabricated a front bulkhead, fitted a rear bulkhead, stuck it on the spit, ripped out the old floor, made a new floor, and Joe had his first go at proper welding. First job, I had to make a small repair. Next thing, I had to make sure that the subframe bolt holes were in the right place. Knowing where the holes are, I can now fit the boot reinforcement brackets. Now I can whack an old valance that I've had in the attic for I don't know how many years.